Elise and Elvin. Can you see the goose behind me? Let's go! Come, let's feed the goat! One only, okay?
No.
Yeah, one only. Yeah, one only. Yes, one only. Yes, one only. Oh no, another goat is coming! Don't be scared, Elvin. Oh no! Goats, don't fight for the food! There's plenty more! No, no, no! Hey! Goat poo? Come, turtle, eat some food! You must be starving. Okay, nice. Good dear, good dear. You're so soft. Come, Elvin, feed the deer. Wow, this deer is starving. Come, Elvin, let's feed the deer. Eat, goose, eat. Look at this place. This is like little genting. Wow, look at this panoramic view.
Yes.
Let's explore this garden.
Elvin, come up. No.
Look at the nice scene here.